Hey, what's up? This is Ronan from Scratch Made Easy with another tutorial for you. In this video, we're going to add quarter rests to 16th note and quarter note rhythms. You'll find a link to the sheet music and everything discussed in this video in the description below. Let's get started. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to continue to make sure that we're playing in time. You don't want to come in late on the rest. If you're coming in late, it means you're playing too slow. If you find yourself dragging the beat, slow down the tempo and make sure to count out loud. Let's take a look at number 2. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. With this next rhythm, let's continue to focus on coming in on time while trying to play clean and even strokes. We don't want to drag the beat, and we want our strokes to sound clean and be evenly spaced apart. Let's count off number 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go over number 3 one more time. Chirping 16th notes evenly without dragging the beat may be a challenge. If you're having problems opening and closing the fader in time, try slowing down the tempo and concentrating on the movements of the fader. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you still find yourself dragging the beat or having difficulty moving the fader in time, don't get discouraged. Like everything else, gaining good control of the fader takes time and effort. If you haven't done so already, this might be a good time to make a commitment to learning how to scratch with both hands. It may feel awkward at first, but if you make the commitment to learn how to do it now, you will benefit from it in the future. Now, let's go ahead and jump into our last rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for watching. For premium content, check out our website, scratchmadeeasy.com. Our Made Easy method takes all the missing out of scratching, and with consistent practice, we'll take your scratching to the next level. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments section below. See you next time. Peace.